Hi everyone, welcome back to our KOSO kitchen. My name is Eliko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese style coleslaw salad. This coleslaw recipe is packed with gut healthy nutrients. Try this as a topping to sandwiches or serve next to steak and grilled salmon. To make this salad, you need a cabbage, shiso leaves, lemon wedge, KOSO, yogurt, miso, sesame oil, sesame seed, natural salt. Fresh vegetables are always better, but if you don't have time, you can buy a bag of pre-shredded cabbage or coleslaw mix. Now I'm going to show you how to make this salad. Slice the cabbage into thin shreds. Lightly massage the cabbage with salt and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Combine all the ingredients for dressing. Remove excess water in the bowl. If you see only small amount of water, you don't need to get rid of it. Combine vegetable and dressing. Give everything a stir. Add shredded shiso leaves, sesame seed, and lemon juice. Mix up your coleslaw. Now you know how easy coleslaw is to make at home. Let us know what you think about this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.